Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2008 BMW X5. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use the system and change the setting. First of all, let me explain some of the hardware specification of the system first. This system comes with the newest Android 10.0, and it comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of the storage memory. This one also comes with a high definition screen as well. This one is called Snapdragon. That's why it also supports the 4G LTE. That means if you have an extra phone card or SIM card, you can insert to the back of the screen, and then you will be able to access to the internet instantly without connecting to any Wi-Fi hotspot. Of course, this one can also support the Wi-Fi hotspot on the cell phone. That means you can also connect to the cell phone and then you can access to the internet. This system is fully compatible with the iDrive. You can see that we can use the iDrive to control the screen here. This one also supports the RPM and dashboard here. You will also connect to the car computer. Other than that, you can also support the original interface. So you will not lose any of the original feature. This is the original interface. This car comes with the CCC system. We also carry another model which supports the 2011 and up, which will come with the CIC system as well. Okay, so basically, you can switch back to the newest interface. This one comes with the built-in navigation system. How to use the navigation system? This one is built in. You do not need to connect to any Wi-Fi to use the GPS. Basically, just click on this one, new road, address, and then you can enter the city and the street name as well. We also provide a worldwide map as well. Other than that, it also comes with the Bluetooth music and Bluetooth phone call. You can also listen to the music by Bluetooth. It also comes with the built-in sound as well. Okay, also come with the dashboard here. Other than that, you also support the Wi-Fi. Once you connect to the Wi-Fi, you can access to the Google Map here. You can see that it's very fast, it's very smooth. The unit actually is very fast and responsive. It also comes with the Google Chrome here. You can access to the internet. And you can also watch the YouTube. Other than that, you can also play the movie from the USB. For example, like this. Yep.
Shock to the system.
It's very nice, actually. I'm gonna show you how to change the setting. We install the aftermarket camera here. So you can see they also come with the turning assistant here, the guideline. Okay, so how to change the setting? You basically just need to go to setting, go to camera selection. If it's aftermarket, you can change the aftermarket camera. If your car comes with the original camera, then you can go to OEM camera here. Navigation is right here, and then you can go to factory. If you have any issue when you switch back to the original screen, like this is the original car interface, right? So if you have any issue when you switch back to the original interface, then basically you just need to go here, go to setting, factory 1314. Okay, okay. Then you can change the car display here. You can change to whatever resolution here. If your car is CIC, then you need to change the CIC. If your car is CCC, then you can change to CCC here. Okay. And if you have any problem with the iDrive, then you can also change the iDrive lock here, lock A or lock B. Okay. You can also download any application to the system as well. Okay. You can go to Google App Store, log into your Google account, and then you can download the software to the system. Once in a while, you can close the application so you won't slow down the unit as well. Okay. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us AutoTecPro. This unit can also be purchased from our website www.autotecpro.com. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.